everyone, welcome to my channel Explore More and Learn. Today's video will be for your practice. What will you practice today? You'll practice English sentences with the 3 ways to pronounce a very common word in English, that is the. So do you know that there are 3 ways, or you can say 3 rules to pronounce the in English, which is an article. So in very short, first of all, I'll tell you the 3 ways, 3 rules to pronounce the. Then I'll give you practice for English sentences. So you can practice English sentences with the 3 ways to pronounce the along with me. Okay, so let's start this video quickly. So what are those 3 rules? What are those 3 ways? So first of all, you should know that this word the is pronounced as the when it appears before a consonant. When the appears before a consonant, it is pronounced as the. So this is phonetic transcription of this word the. That's why I have written it with these symbols. Okay, so how will you pronounce it? The. When it appears before a consonant. For example, the book. Here you see b is a consonant, that's why you will pronounce it as the. The story. So here also s is a consonant, that's why you will pronounce it as the. The pen. So it's a consonant here, that's why you will pronounce it as the. Okay, so you'll pronounce the as the when it appears before a consonant, but you'll pronounce the as the when it appears before a vowel sound. Remember, when it appears before a vowel sound. For example, the apple. The apple. So here the sound is a, that's why the apple. The elephant. The act. Okay, so whenever the the will appear before a vowel sound, you'll pronounce it as the, not the. Okay, remember, you have to keep the vowel sound in your mind, not the vowel letter. Okay, now the third way to pronounce the is the. So when you pronounce it as the, whenever we want to emphasize something. So when you give emphasis on something, or it is pronounced as the to show that the person or thing referred to is famous or important. Okay, at that time we pronounce the as the when we want to give emphasis on something. Okay, when you want to emphasize something, at that time you pronounce the as the. For example, the Prime Minister. The most important fact. The smartest person. So in this way, when you want to emphasize something, you pronounce the as the. Alright, you got it? These are the 3 ways to pronounce the in English. Now it's time to practice. As you know that practice makes a man perfect. So if you practice these sentences with the 3 ways to pronounce the, you will learn when to pronounce the as the, when to pronounce it as the, or when to pronounce it as the. Okay, so let's start. First sentence is what I always ask you to do. Watch the video till the end. Watch the video till the end. So here you see this the appears before a consonant sound, that's why you will say the. And this the appears before a vowel sound, that's why it will be pronounced as the. Okay, so how will you say it? Watch the video till the end. Okay, watch the video till the end. Now you can repeat after me. Watch the video till the end. Alright, now you can say it with me. Watch the video till the end. Okay, now next sentence. He'll not call you in the morning. He'll not call you in the morning. So here, this da appears before a consonant sound. That's why in the morning. Okay. He'll call you in the evening. He'll call you in the evening. Here, this da appears before a vowel sound. That's why in the evening. In the evening. In the morning. In the evening. Okay. Now next sentence. I am teaching in the university. I am teaching in the university. Now you'll think that here also this is a vowel. No. This is a vowel letter, but the sound is consonant sound. As I told you that you have to keep in your mind that when the appears before a vowel sound, then only you will pronounce it as the. Okay? So here you will not consider this letter as a vowel sound. Why? Because this is only a vowel letter, but the sound which we get from you here in this word is consonant. So how will you pronounce this the? You will pronounce it as the, not the. Okay? So I am teaching in the university. Okay? Now this is the best day of my life. So you want to emphasize here on the best day. That's why you will pronounce it as the. This is the best day of my life. Okay? Now a few more sentences for you. She's the most beautiful girl here. Again, you want to emphasize on something. That's why you will pronounce the as the. And it's very obvious when you use superlative degree, you want to emphasize on something. So here, she is the most beautiful girl here. Another sentence, take the umbrella when you go out. So here, the letter is you again, but the sound which we get from you here, which is a vowel letter, is also a vowel sound. That's why we'll pronounce this the as the, not the. Okay? So take the umbrella when you go out. Now the next sentence, keep the earrings on the table. Keep the earrings on the table. So here you see, this the appears before a vowel sound, so the, but here this the appears before a consonant sound. That's why keep the earrings on the table. Okay? Now, Lata Mangeshkar is the legend. Lata Mangeshkar is the legend. So here, I want to emphasize here, that's why, how am I pronouncing this the? As the. Okay? Now, the last sentence, she is the apple of my eye. She is the apple of my eye. Now you know it well that here we have vowel sound in apple. That's why this the is pronounced as the. Okay? She is the apple of my eye. Now you can practice these sentences along with me. So let's start. Watch the video till the end. Watch the video till the end. He'll not call you in the morning. He'll not call you in the morning. He'll call you in the evening. He'll call you in the evening. I am teaching in the university. I am teaching in the university. This is the best day of my life. This is the best day of my life. She is the most beautiful girl here. She is the most beautiful girl here. Take the umbrella when you go out. Take the umbrella when you go out. Keep the earrings on the table. Keep the earrings on the table. Lata Mangeshkar is the legend. Lata Mangeshkar is the legend. She is the apple of my eye. She is the apple of my eye. I hope you have practiced these sentences well. Keep practicing. Keep learning. So if you have not subscribed this channel yet, then please subscribe by pressing subscribe button below. And don't forget to press the bell icon. I hope you will like this video and share it also with your family members or with your friends. Very soon I'll bring another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.